Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at an easy way to do math on the command line using double parentheses. This construct is often used in scripts, but it works just as fine on the command line. So here's a simple example of adding two numbers together. If I just say echo, $, and double parentheses, opening parentheses, and put in one number, and plus sign and another number, and then two closing parentheses, I get the sum of the numbers that easily. Now, notice $, two open parentheses, and two close parentheses in the mouth calculation in the middle. Now, you can also add variables together. So I could say val1 equals, and I could say what it's worth. And val2 is some other number. Then I can say, okay, go and echo, $, val1 plus val2, and notice I'm not putting $signs in front of val1 and val2, and there's the sum of those two numbers. And please understand, this technique is not just for addition. Using double parentheses, you can add, subtract, multiply, divide, increment, decrement, and even get squares, cubes, etc. It's actually pretty easy. So I'll do something else here. We'll go num equals 18, and then I'm going to go num minus minus, and then I'm going to go echo num, and you should see that we've decremented num. But I could also do something like this. I can take 12 to the power of 12. So 12 to the 12th power is going to be that number, and you can see how very quickly we get an answer. As I hope I've shown, you can work with variables or use numbers depending on what you're trying to do. Well, that's your Linux tip for doing math with double parentheses. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.